So you want to work from home, but you have no idea where to start or even what questions you should ask. In this video, we're going to talk about different businesses that you could consider, as well as how to price your services and the things you need to know before you leave your job. If working for yourself and earning what you're worth is something that you have dreamt of, you are in the right place. We create these videos for people just like you. You want to be your own boss, and we're here to help. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and like our videos so we know to make more of them for you. At the end of this video, we're going to tell you how to connect with other people who are just starting their businesses or who've been in business for a while and can share all kinds of great tips and tricks with you. Hi, my name's Kirsten Graham, and along with my business partner, Jeanne Willson, we own Six Figure Business Coaching. And today, we're going to help you find a way that you can successfully work from home. The easiest way to work from home is starting a business. And each and every one of us has unique skills, things that we're really good at, and generally those are things that we enjoy doing. So my first piece of advice is to sit down and think about all of the things that you're good at and that you love doing. There's a very good chance you could turn this into a successful and profitable business. I'm going to share with you a couple of examples. Tamra was a woman who worked in retail, but she was in a situation where her mother was aging and she had to find something that she could do. After going through a lot of questions and talking out a bunch of different ideas, we realized that she loved budgeting and finance. So we talked about whether or not she should become a bookkeeper or maybe teach classes on budgeting. At the end of the day, she decided to be a bookkeeper who would help business owners with their budgeting. So she was able to very quickly build a successful business working from home. Another lovely woman we got to work with was Mindy. Mindy had an art degree and she was incredibly creative. However, she was waiting tables because in her mind, she felt like there was no way to earn a living as an artist. After doing a little research, we realized that she was great at doing faux painting, whether that was on walls or on furniture. So we connected her with several interior designers who very quickly started getting her project work. It wasn't long before Mindy turned her faux painting into a full-time business. But something really awesome came from that. She eventually was hired by clients to actually create paintings, a large abstract to go over a fireplace. These were things that she didn't expect when she started the business. So it turned out even better than she could have ever imagined. Some of us have many talents. For example, one of our clients is a professional organizer, and she specializes in organizing offices. And what worked out really well was she also enjoyed finance and bookkeeping. So she started organizing offices for business owners and then eventually doing their bookkeeping. This worked out really well because, of course, professional organizing is an hourly job. In some months you're busy and some months you're not. But bookkeeping gave her consistent revenue month after month. So think about the different skills you have. You may be surprised how you can marry 2 or 3 different passions that you have into one very profitable business. And actually, in the description below, we'll have a link for a free list of 85 businesses that you could start from home. But let's move on to point number 2. One thing that holds a lot of people back is they think that there's just not enough work. That there's already bookkeepers in your community or artists in your community or painters in your community. But the bottom line is there's more than enough business to go around. So whether you're looking for clients in your local area or you have a virtual business that you can do anywhere, you have to believe that there are clients out there that are perfect for you. Pricing your services correctly is extremely important. Make sure you do research on what your competitors are charging. So often we work with business owners who've just started and they're way undercharging. And the bottom line is you're never going to be successful being the lowest price person out there. So do your research, figure out what your competitors charge, and start your pricing there. It's the quickest way for you to become profitable and to be able to have a full-time income doing what you're doing. Again, it doesn't matter if you've had 1 day experience or 100 years of experience. Price your services at a fair market rate. We're going to link a video up top. It's called How to Get Your Clients to Pay Upfront. That is a great video to watch because it will improve your cash flow. The next thing is get real with your finances. What do you absolutely have to make your business successful? Are you going to run your business full-time, part-time, or is it going to be a side hustle? And most importantly, if you have a partner, make sure you talk with them and they're totally on board. The more clear you are about your financial goals, the more likely you are to achieve them. So if you decided on a business you want to start and you understand the finances and you know that you're going to be part-time, full-time, whatever you've chosen to do, the next step is to create a business and marketing plan. You don't want to just rush out and start a business. You really need to plan these things. You need to think about your branding for your marketing, the name of your company. You need to sit down and write a business plan. And it doesn't have to be a book. It can be a simple one-page business plan. But you absolutely have to plan the business before you start it. In order to hit the ground running and make money, you need to know what you're going to do, when you're going to do it, and how you're going to do it. And this is a challenge because most people are used to going to a job and someone else tells you what to do, when to do, and how to do it. So you have to take control of this. The more you plan, the more successful you're going to be. So we are truly excited to be part of your entrepreneurial journey. Before I said we'd have a community of people just like you who are starting businesses or who are already up and running. And that is our private Facebook group, Six Figure Business Life. Please join that group, ask questions. We'll do some training in there as well. We want to do everything we can do to help you grow your business. So please check us out there, Six Figure Business Life on Facebook. And last but not least, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like it, share it with your friends, and leave us comments to let us know if you'd like more content like this. And as always, dream big.